How to contact Uber Eats support. If you need to contact Uber Eats support, there are several methods available to assist you. So let's get started. For the most personalized assistance, use the Uber Eats app. Now open the application just like this. After that, tap onto your account icon at the bottom. Select it. Then here you can find help right here. Tap on it. Then choose the relevant order or issue category. Follow the prompts to report your issue or contact support. Now simply tap onto one just like this. Just like this. And this method ensures that your inquiry is linked to your account and recent orders. If you are experiencing sign-in issues or prefer chat assistance, you need to visit the Uber Eats Help Center. Simply go to Google app just like this. Tap onto search bar and type Uber Eats Help Center. Then tap onto the first one just like this. And from here you can simply contact the Uber Eats support. And that's it. This is how you can contact Uber Eats support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.